Using Fireflies AI to transcribe content is a straightforward process, particularly for those running online businesses who want to repurpose their content. Transcribing videos or podcasts and turning them into blog posts is a key aspect of content reuse. The Fireflies AI platform handles this process with ease. To begin, log into the Fireflies AI account and navigate to the home screen. On the left side, click on Uploads to initiate the transcription process. The platform accepts MP3, M4A, WAV, or MP4 files, with a file size limit of 1.5 gigabytes. For larger files, consider compressing them using a tool like iMovie by reducing the quality to 360 or 720 for videos, or under 200 megabytes for audio files. Once a file is selected, choose the default language, in this case, changing it to English. After selecting the language, click Upload to start the process. The upload time will vary depending on the connection speed. As the file is uploaded, Fireflies AI will automatically transcribe the content, indicated by a processing transcript notification. After the transcription is complete, click into the file to view the transcript, which is separated by speakers. The transcript can be downloaded as a docx or PDF file, with options to include timestamps and speaker names. For repurposing as a blog post, these options can be unchecked. After downloading the transcript, it will be organized into paragraphs, making it easy to use and edit. Overall, the Fireflies AI transcription process is a convenient and efficient way to reuse content.